Hi friend, today I am gonna teach you about organic chemistry. First we start from atom. As you know, atom is the smallest particle of matter. When same atom combine with each other, then they form element, and when different atom combine, they will form compound. There are two types of compound. Organic compound and inorganic compound. Organic compound are those compounds which are obtained from living things. And inorganic compound are those compounds which are obtained from non-living things. For example, we can obtain carbohydrates from plants, and we can obtain protein from animals. Non-living things like NaCl, sodium chloride, H2O, water is an inorganic compound. So first we go for the history of organic compound. In the past, many scientists believed that organic compound could not synthesize in the laboratory. So in 1808, a scientist, Berzelius, proposed vital force theory. Vital force theory. This scientist said that we could not synthesize organic compound in the laboratory because he believed that organic compound need God-gifted power, which is only present in living thing. So this God-gifted power is necessary for the synthesis of any organic compound. So we could not prepare any organic compound in the laboratory, like we could not prepare glucose in the laboratory. We just obtain glucose from plants. So due to this concept, many organic compounds are not still undiscovered. But in 1828, a German scientist, Friedrich Wöhler, reject this theory. And this scientist take the compound ammonium cyanide and heat that compound, and after heating he obtained urea. Urea is basically an organic compound which is present in the waste product of living things. Waste product of living thing. So this scientist Friedrich Wöhler reject the vital force theory and prepare urea in the laboratory. After the discovery of urea, vital force theory rejected, and now a new chapter is open in the chemistry which is known as organic chemistry. So many scientists work on it and they discover many compound and they prepare many compound in the laboratory. We can say that Frederick Wohler is a father of organic chemistry because it is one of the scientists which prepare first compound in the laboratory. And urea is first man-made organic compound. Urea is first man-made organic compound. And it is the first organic reaction in the history. So now the modern definition of organic chemistry is Modern definition of organic chemistry is compound of carbon and hydrogen. Compound of carbon and hydrogen, the branch of chemistry in which we study about the compound of carbon and hydrogen and their derivative. And their derivative is known as organic chemistry. So this is the compound of carbon. We can say this is methane. We can this is the common name. The common name of methane is biogas. This is the compound of carbon and hydrogen. What does mean derivative of carbon and hydrogen? Suppose if we replace all the hydrogen with halogen, then we obtain new compound calcium bromide, tetrabromide. So this is also organic compound, but it cannot have both the element carbon and hydrogen. This is basically a derivative of organic compound. Derivative of organic compound. The modern definition of organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry in which we study about compound of carbon and hydrogen and their derivative. So there are many compounds which still have carbon but they are not organic, like carbon dioxide, sodium cyanide, calcium carbonate, carbides like these are the compound which have carbon but these are not organic compound. I hope you all enjoyed today's lecture.